Master Graphics Question Corner. I'm Barb Webb, and I'm with Master Graphics. Um, so today's question is actually from Michael in Kansas, and his question is how to get engineers to think more about additive manufacturing. So I find that this is a great question and something that I am challenged with frequently whenever I meet with manufacturers out in the field today. So obviously, in a perfect situation, you've already hired, a manufacturer's already hired, like a young employee from an educational institution who's already typically had experience with additive manufacturing. And so that kind of furthers along the additive manufacturing in a company, right? Having those additive manufacturing skill sets and creativity to design and to produce some hands-on just increases awareness across the board. So early exposure obviously is the best solution if somebody comes into your organization. But to kind of mandate or implement the design for additive manufacturing. It's not just as simple as designing a part to be built additively, right? In the ideal design for additive manufacturing world, you need to get some feedback that includes the additive manufacturing process, post-processing, um, even some of the essential properties and functionality of the part itself. So, really, the best thing is just kind of starting with a blank slate and redesigning rather than just adapting to the part. So, here are just some good suggestions and rule of thumb that I like to tell manufacturers that I think make sense and seem to have proven out in the manufacturing world to help engineers, designers think more along the additive manufacturing applications. Number one, acquire a very inexpensive FFF DLP technology to place on every engineer's desk. Immediate access to that technology will allow that creativity to kind of be brought about, right? Secondly, allow for creation of personal items such as a cell phone, right? For your car, if you need a cell phone holder, for your automobile, it makes perfect sense to be able to design that, use that creativity. Third, I always ask companies to offer financial incentives, right? Meaning, um, have the group come up with the most creative way to lightweight a part, right? That could be one project as an example. Fourth, start out by redesigning a complete system from the ground up. For instance, if you think about GE, they were able to take the advantage of opportunities where they were consolidating parts and eliminating some seals, right, where it didn't make sense. So that challenge really does promote thinking among the organization and generate some pretty good results, I think. And then last, maybe offer good workshops for additive manufacturing. Allow those workshops to create creativity items and generate new designs, if you will. So basically, it's just going to be a new mindset regarding additive manufacturing. And by achieving some of those basic steps that I just gave you, I really think that you're going to see some huge headway in your organization. So if any of those resonate with you, please feel free to reach out to myself or anyone here at the Master Graphics team, and I'm happy to talk to you. Thanks. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.